Why UFO gaming is about to explode. Hey there guys, and welcome to the crypto world. Before we start the video, let us tell you about today's sponsor, Gate.io. Now, for those of you who don't know Gate.io, Gate.io is a platform to which protects your funds with both centralized and decentralized methods. It is also the first exchange to invest millions in security and law funds to add extra protection for the users. Using Gate.io, you'll be able to trade, buy, earn, and stay up to date with everything around crypto. We will leave a link in the description for you. With that being said, please do remember that this video is not financial advice, so before investing any money, please do your own research. And now to the video. In today's video, we will be talking about UFO gaming and why is UFO gaming on the rise. To begin, UFO is a utility token for the UFO gaming play-to-earn gaming platform, which is built on a DAO. The platform's purpose is to bridge the gap between traditional gaming and blockchain by interacting and developing new gaming features that allows players to earn assets, such NFTs and currencies, while they play. UFO is the primary utility token in the dark metaverse. Games set in the dark metaverse show a universe where players can own a piece of the globe and earn money by completing game objectives. One of the planets that has been introduced so far is Supergalactic. Supergalactic is a cryptocurrency built on the Ethereum network and paired with a super scalable Polygon L2 solution is a decentralized game with an auto battler and unique NFT collection. To play Supergalactic, you'll need a character. These are UFO apps, which are NFTs. Before minting UFO apps, you must first farm plasma points using the native UFO token. UFO gaming, how it works. UFO gaming is completely reliant on its community, hence it operates with a community-first mentality. On this decentralized gaming platform, players can use their favorite genre to earn money. The assets' ownership is within the user's entire control. UFO gaming assets can be transferred between platforms. Gate.io, ShibaSwap, and Uniswap are all good options. UFO is a fully decentralized platform and automated system based on the DAO idea. Holders of the UFO token will be able to vote on dark metaverse community choices and will be a part of the UFO government. DAO voting rights over the future of the metaverse will be granted to the top holders. UFO gaming's smart contracts are well secured and inspected by Haken. To start interacting with the ecosystem, you will need the UFO token. UFO tokens are necessary for everything in the ecosystem because they are the primary utility token. To play Supergalactic UFO Gaming's inaugural game, you must first stake UFO or UFO/ATH LP tokens in the cosmos. The Supergalactic model is built on the P2E model. As a result, there are three primary issues that must be addressed in order to achieve this. The primary game, Supergalactic. In the game, there is a rating system for dynamic NFTs, or UFO apps, a system with three tokens: UFO, the primary token in the ecosystem, UAP dollars, obtained by completing Supergalactic's daily missions and used to breed soldiers of UFO apps in the game, and plasma points obtained by completing Supergalactic's daily missions and used to breed soldiers of UFO apps in the game, generated by staking UFO. It used to buy UFO apps to play the game. The game, in conjunction with the two tokens systems, helps to create an internal economic loop that provides a never-ending revenue stream. Another metaverse project worth keeping an eye on in 2022 is UFO Gaming. It's an entire metaverse ecosystem with each planet representing a different game. The play-to-earn approach will be implemented in all of their games. Supergalactic is the title of their debut game. It's a game with in-game tasks, tournaments, and PvP war modes that you may play to make money. There's also a breeding and trade system as well as an NFT marketplace for stuff, weapons, and characters. UFO Gaming should launch more games in the future, and I see potential in UFO. As you may know, Neo Blockchain is collaborating with Neo, and they talked a lot about UFO, their forthcoming initiatives, and when it will be published soon, Metaverse digital assets and how they can have actual worth, as well as where UFO is headed and how they want people to perceive UFO in the future. Metaverse of UFOs. The dark metaverse, like the universe, is a made-up planet created by UFO Gaming to enable the purchase of these exclusive virtual spaces. ERC-721 tokens will be used to represent these territories, but owners will be able to sell fractionalized territories, such as NFTs, to others. You'll need 3 rare Genesis NFTs to establish a council, X amount of UFO tokens, and UAP tokens to build a territory treasury, and X amount of UFO tokens and UAP tokens to create a territory treasury to mint your own territory. UFO Gaming's first metaverse game is Super Galactic. Super Galactic is a planet in intergalactic space that is populated and technologically advanced until anarchy ensues, at which point the local population is exterminated to a limited number of people. On the planet Pegasus, the people are busily building their own home. To recover sovereignty in the supergalactic realm, a repopulation strategy is being developed. You can utilize NFTs to build a residence in this game, or you can complete crucial jobs for significant payouts. In this RPG action game, you can combat and build digital super warriors in the UFO's first revealed 4th dimension realm. The dark metaverse's restricted in-game materials, known as UFO apps, are also introduced here. To play Super Galactic, you'll only need one playable character who can be a Genesis Alpha or Beta. These are UFO apps, which are NFTs. Plasma points are useful in this situation. The Galactic Superpowers. Super Galactic is a hybrid of a decentralized auto-battler game and a collection of non-fungible tokens, both based on the Ethereum network and integrated with a highly scalable Polygon full-stack solution. UFO Gaming is a new type of cryptocurrency project that is community-driven and offers everything in today's digital world. Play to earn virtual lands, NFTs, games, and IDO Launchpad are all included. In little than a year, the play-to-earn gaming industry has grown to $1 billion empire owing to titles like Axie Infinity or AXS, which leads the field with billions of revenues and thousands of daily active users. Other games, including as Alien Worlds and Crypto Blades, are also highly popular, with a growing number of people joining every day and utilizing the P2E ecosystem to thrive in online gaming environments while also earning money. In its game Super Galactic, UFO Gaming uses the same P2E model as UFO Gaming that can compete against one another, win, and receive rewards. Metaverse is another trend in which projects like Decentraland or Mana and the Sandbox, aka Sand, have made the most progress and are presently at the top of the Metaverse token rankings. UFO Gaming, like these two initiatives, offers virtual territories that users may use to develop their own empires, rent to others, or sell to interested buyers. All of this will take place within the Metaverse. The recent launch of Qcoin has boosted the price of the UFO token, which is presently up by roughly 25%. The token continues to gain traction, and if it maintains its current rate, another zero could be removed in the coming weeks. Corner. While it is difficult to estimate the precise price of the UFO token, the next main target that UFO holders may anticipate is $0.0001. However, due to the high volatility of the crypto market, it is prudent to consult crypto specialists and invest prudently. Another metaverse project worth keeping an eye on is UFO Gaming. It is an entire metaverse ecosystem with each planet representing a different game. The play-to-earn approach will be implemented in all of their games. Super Galactic is the title of their debut game. It's a game with in-game tasks, tournaments, and PvP war modes that you may play to make money. There is also a breeding and trade system as well as an NFT marketplace for stuff, weapons, and characters. UFO Gaming should launch more games in the future. It would be able to play against each other. It should be mentioned that the UFO token's all-time high is $0.00005569, which has hit on November 25th, 2021. The token's current price is around 46% lower than its all-time high, but this is owing to the crypto market's extraordinary volatility, and the prospective rebound might have a significant impact on the UFO token's price. Also, the UFO Gaming token is one of the few, if not the only Metaverse tokens that hasn't yet surpassed 1 cent. This is why many crypto experts and analysts believe that UFO tokens is currently undervalued and that a price increase is imminent. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you on the next video. Until then, take care.